Hello everybody and welcome to the very first assembly for Wellbeing Wednesday. Gives me a great pleasure to say hello to you. For those of you who've not met me yet, my name's Mr. Pinchbeck and I am the new head here. So the whole school's been working very hard to get distance learning up and running for you, and I know you've been working incredibly hard as well, because I've seen all the lovely work you've been doing. In a minute, we're going to have a look at some examples of that, and you can see what your friends have been doing during the week. I hope you've enjoyed this week. I hope you've enjoyed meeting your new teachers. I hope you've enjoyed meeting some new friends as well. It's obviously not the way we'd have liked to start the new school year, but I hope it's been as good as it could be and that you've had lots of fun and are really starting to feel once again a part of the great ICHK community. Have a look now at the great work we've been doing this week and welcome. Well, wasn't that amazing? Such great pieces of work in there. I really look forward to see what you're going to do during next week. Have a great day, rest of the day now. It's time to get to the end of the day, have a relax, and tomorrow morning start all over again with those amazing get up and go sessions. All the best everybody. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.